Meaning of hypoxemia.
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 Hypoxemia. Hypoxemia is a medical condition characterized by low levels of oxygen in the blood. It is caused by a variety of factors, including respiratory disorders, cardiovascular disease, and other underlying medical conditions. When left untreated, hypoxemia can lead to serious complications, such as organ damage and even death. Symptoms of hypoxemia include shortness of breath, rapid heart rate, confusion, dizziness, and fatigue. Treatment options for hypoxemia vary depending on the underlying cause and severity of the condition, but may include supplemental oxygen therapy or medications to address the underlying condition.